Let me tell you why 99% of businesses fail at using AI. With an example. This is Mo. One night, he watched a YouTube video with this title, How to Get Rich with AI. He intrigued. He watched another video, and another video, and another video. Hope kicks in. This could be. And the dream begins. An e-commerce empire built by AI. Seems amazing. So he signs up for Shopify and opens an Amazon seller's account, build a YouTube channel, start a business at all. He starts typing into AI chatbots like he's casting spells. Design me a product, write me ads, create my content, do my SEO, handle my social media, sell for me, manage my team, do this, do that, marry me. Oh, wait, what? Things get weird. But hey, he's building a business while doing almost nothing. Genius, right? But the next morning, he checks his dashboard. $0. No big deal. These things take time, he tells himself. 1 year later, he opens his laptop again. Same screen, same zero. Still zero, yeah? But you told me I could use AI to build a business, then make it passive, then get rich. Yeah, I did, but I never said let AI do everything from zero to hero for you. So, what was I supposed to do? Here's the truth. You've got to build the product and the idea and the offer by yourself. AI is powerful, yes, but it can only boost what already works. If it were as easy as handing everything to AI, Elon Musk would have retired and let his bots run Tesla and SpaceX while he sipped cocktails on Mars. But that's not how greatness is built. If you want to build a real business or a real personal brand, you need to get up, make a plan, put in the time, and create something special. And don't fall for the get-rich AI fast gurus. Build something real. And if you're ready to start a business, even if you have no money, no team, no experience, watch this next video right here where I'll show you exactly how to build your business from scratch in 2025 in real steps.